Welcome back to the channel.
Come on, just. Okay, go. Hey guys, you're on. Watch anything, guys, okay? It could be females watching. Okay.
No, the demographic is mainly guys, come on.
Welcome the demographic.
There you go.
So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you're kinda not ready to subscribe yet, just wait till you see this video. It's about to be sick. We're doing some more mod reveals for the Shelby, alright? Ladies and gentlemen.
What do you got there?
Bam.
Ooh.
Bam. Let's get this in. Guys, basically, I was like talking about how I didn't like the Alcantara and I was just ready to change it up. I had a connection. Alcantara, I didn't like my Alcantara steering wheel, so I had a connection, aka the Chinese mafia. Went back to their hometown and they and they hooked me up, boys. Look at this. This is a great finish. If you're looking to get it done, don't hit me up because we're not gonna do it for you. So just enjoy this great steering wheel pornography, you know? Okay guys, so some key features on what we did. We kept the flat bottom steering wheel. I thought it was a great touch from factory. What we did add was a full reinforced top carbon fiber. I wanted to keep it neutral because I didn't know what color scheme I wanted to go. I do like the black on white stitching factory from Ford. So we did keep the white stitching, carbon fiber on top, perforated leather inserts, and then Napa leather bottom. What we got here is finger grooves at the back. The fingers find it real nice and easy. We got the perfect inserts for the thumb, insert race car memes in right here. And then of course we get to keep all our factory controls. The only downside is I did lose my factory steering wheel. Yeah, I don't see the con to that. That's fucking awesome. So basically, I don't have 2 extra steering wheels, but yeah, I did. This is definitely a great mod. I'm gonna get to enjoy it every single day as I drive, so it's gonna be sick.
Go install it?
Let's go put it on, boys.
Let's go put it on. Is there enough lighting in the garage?
No, maybe not.
Okay.
All right, guys, so let's put it on. Let's go ahead and go do this. All right, guys, so here we go. No steering wheel. Insert Honda memes. Oh. Should we get to the door here? All right, guys, pretty simple. Whatever this is called. Basically, pop the wires through. Now, I would recommend disconnecting your battery for this because the airbag is technically active somewhat. We just gotta line her up, boys. And then, she's on there. You're good to go. All right, let's do this for real. Put this through here. Right, I gotta line. Oh, nope. Nope. There we go. She's lined up. We got the wiring out of the way. This factory harness that comes off the steering wheel then plugs in here. Just gotta get this wiring out the way. Wow, this would be much easier than this.
Airbag.
Right there. Yeah. There we go. Peep the Shelby airbag, boys. All right, so let's actually put the 24 millimeter bolt, I think. Yeah, 24, boys. Takes this bolt off for all you regular Mustang owners that want to go to a Shelby steering wheel. I know the jealousy is real. So we're just gonna spin this on real quick here. Make sure she's on righty-tighty. And go till the adequate strength. Go till you think it's not gonna come off in the event of a crash. Nice and tight, boys.
There you go.
Test her out. We're good to go. So let's pop these 2 back in here. Real simple, black to black, yellow to yellow. Listen for those clicks, real important, guys. That's how you know it's properly connected. All right, guys. Now, real quick here, Dom, if you want to zoom in here. Guys, to take it off, real quick, all you got to do is slide in an Allen key through this side hole, and then peep the Allen key. Then you want to push this pin so it releases the airbag. All right? You want to do that for both sides. So if you feel like you got nothing here, It's gonna feel like a dead end. You can push as hard as you want. You wanna just, it's gonna be right at the beginning, then boom, it's gonna pop right off. All right, so make sure your Shelby straight's on, because if not, crowd killings may...
Oh, that scared me for a second.
All right, she's on, boys.
Here you go.
We're good to go.
She's on, eh?
Yeah,
You
she's
sure?
on real good.
Are you sure she's on?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
All right. Insert. Yep, there we go. Tested. Feel real quality. Handbrake's up. No one can actually get hurt. All right, boys. Great install. Fuck. Great install video, boys. Let's call this the nighter, shall we? Alright guys, so that's the video right there. If you like the video, subscribe, like, and give us a reason what we should do next to the Shelby, or give us a reason what car we should go after next and maybe do some mods there. Potentially we got some real close homies that are looking at a new car in the future, and we could do some possible installs. And yeah, maybe that'll be in our next video. Anyways guys, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking the video, thanks for watching. Most importantly, more content comes soon. The installs before and after, and some dyno pulls.